Assalamualaikum. Welcome to IBBC 2023. My name is Aleesha Rauf. I am doing MPhil in Chemistry from Kohat University of Science and Technology, Kust. I am working under the supervision with Dr. Naeem Khan and Syed Majid Shah from Kohat University of Science and Technology. Today here I represent the topic of my research project. The topic of my research project is the phytochemical profile and in vitro biological activities of Roella simplex. In the introduction, medicinal plants are used in different countries around the world for the treatment of diseases as a choice on synthetic drugs because they are cheap and mostly considered to be safe. Use of the plant for the medicinal purposes started from Rig Veda and Ayurveda. Egyptian adopted medicinal plants for the treatment of various human diseases. According to the WHO, 80% of the world population, primarily those of the developing countries, rely on plant-derived medicines for their health care. Now, what are the phytochemicals? Phytochemical are the Greek word for plants. Phytochemicals are the compounds found in plants. They have protective or disease preventive properties. They act as a natural defense mechanism in their host plant, playing essential role in the plant to defend themselves against various pathogenic microbes. This is a plant which I use in my research project. The plant which I use in my research project is the Roella simplex. It is an herbaceous, perennial, medicinal and ornamental plant belonging to the family of Acanthaceae. Roella simplex species has an amphoterical distribution being found in Pakistan, also around the world in southern United States, Mexico and Antilles, etc. Folk use of plant Roella simplex has been traditionally claimed to be used for the treatment of asthma, fever, bronchitis, high blood pressure, eczema and diabetes. Result and discussion. This study was aimed to carry out the phytochemical profiling in vitro biological activities of Roella simplex leaves collected from Kohat, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. Various crude extracts were prepared using Soxhlet extractor, filtered, evaporated by rotary evaporator and using oxygen-free nitrogen. The presence of alkaloids, steroids, glycosides, phenols, flavonoids, tannin, terpenoids, amino acids and carbohydrate in the various solvent extracts were screened qualitatively. While total phenolic and the flavonoid content were determined quantitatively using UV visible spectroscopy. The extracts were subjected to different assays to evaluate their biological potential via determining their antibacterial, antifungal and antioxidant activities. The result demonstrated that the different solvent extracts have different profile and biological activities. Tannin, phenols, flavonoids, alkaloids, steroids, spinin, terpenoids, glycosides were abundant in Roella simplex leaves. Methanolic and acetone extract were found to have a maximum phytochemical content. Microbial potential, the highest phenolic content was 40.5 mg gallic acid equivalents per gram and the highest flavonoid content was 31.11 mg quercetin equivalents per gram. Based on the results, Roella simplex leaves were considered as a rich source of various phytochemicals possessing good biological activities. At the last, these are the results which I obtained during my research project, in which first step is the phytochemical analysis. This is the phytochemical analysis of different extracts of Roella simplex. These are the results of total phenolics and the flavonoid content. These are the results of antimicrobial activity, in which first is the antibacterial activity and second is the antifungal activity. At the last, the antioxidant activity, the inhibitory concentration, IC50 value of DPPH scavenging activity of different extracts of Roella simplex leaves as mentioned in the table. Thank you very much. अब ठीक है हाँ
इसको स्टॉप करो अब ठीक है बिल्कुल ठीक है